It's another day and I got this headlight frame piece printed out. It's not too bad. I have the lenses here. Just that out. A bit hard in one hand. There we go. Not too bad. It could be better. It's not that bad. Now does it fit? Whoa, look at that. Press fit. How are we gonna get that out? I don't know. I'm going to put like a screwdriver through the back of there. That's not too bad. You've got these tail lights too. They're gonna look pretty cool. Let's have a look what it looks like on the car. It's a bit warm out here though. It's like almost 40 degrees. It's be interesting to see how this thing holds up today. I'll look here first, okay. This is this side. That looks pretty cool. Might take a quick tech screw in there. Slap those on. This headlight. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Alright, I'm going to quickly slap a couple tech screws just to hold it on and see what it looks like. Okay, I got the headlight on. I drilled a hole so I can actually push it out too. It's all on there. Got these tail lights mocked up as well. Sort of see how they're going to look, so that's pretty cool. They're going to have red lights in them. Might even paint it red, like a red tint. Yeah, looks pretty good. We'll see how it holds up.